No? Think it's gonna be fun?
Yeah.
You think we'll hear people screaming?
No.
No? Think Tyler will be scared?
Yeah.
You think so?
Where did Brandon go? Did Brandon already go?
Brandon's behind us, I think. Here we go. You're scared. And a track.
Oh, there he is the second time. There's Brandon.
Scarier?
Brandon's here now.
What'd you think of it, Tyler?
I love it. I want to go on it again.
You like going fast?
I like fast.
Did your Uncle Randy scare you on it?
Did you
No.
scream? I did. I just sat.
You just sat there, you didn't scream?
I just felt the wind in my hair, and I just felt it. And it felt good. I just sat. I just sat. Like I'm watching TV. And it was just a picture of me.
Barbecue right down the road.
Rain or meatballs?
Rain or meatballs?
I don't know. Which one do you prefer?
Meatball.
Meatballs?
Meatballs.
Hey, Clyde, what's the chance of meatballs?
Okay.
Yeah,
What?
why did the chicken across the road?
I don't know why.
I think it's the other side.
good time on your trip down south?
Yes.
What was your favorite thing that you did the whole time you were with us?
I'd have to say the hotel. Actually, not the hotel.
Staying at the hotel,
No. Getting caught in the rain.
getting caught in the rain, while we were tubing?
Yeah.
That was the best part?
Yep.
Well, even staying at our house, did you have a favorite part?
Yeah.
What?
Tiger. Bro, beef is my favorite. Beef. Tiger. My favorite. Hey, can I tell you something? You know what my favorite part is?
What?
It's whenever we went on that roller coaster. Yeah, that was fun.
Well, what about going to the beach?
The beach? Oh, the beach was number one. Beach number one.
Oh, you like the beach?
Yeah, we love the beach.
What about strawberry picking?
I love that too.
Okay.
Eat the strawberries.
You gonna come back next summer?
Of course.
Okay.
I most definitely. Yeah.
Well, I'm glad y'all had fun.
When are we gonna see you guys again?
I don't know. We'll plan another trip.
Yay.
I'm glad we got to spend time with y'all.
I want you to plan another trip, but make it 3 weeks.
Well, I don't know if it's gonna be 3 weeks, but we'll plan a trip again.
Alright. Plan it 1, 2, or 3 weeks. That's the limit. 3